Hello, class. Welcome to ORLD 2700, Human Resources and Personnel Management. My name is Justin Lacey. I will be your instructor for this class. Again, I want to welcome everybody, and I really think you're going to enjoy this class. I really do, because I've been in HR for about 15, 16 years, and what I've discovered in my time in HR is that it is truly kind of the one topic that touches every single one of you at some point in your or throughout your professional careers, no matter what you end up doing with your life. Whether you're a nurse or a business professional, accountant, an actor, an athlete, no matter what you do with your career, HR and HR concepts will follow you throughout your career because it deals with compensation and benefits, recruitment, termination, everything that, if you've ever had a job, HR affects you in some way, shape, or form. So again, that's why I think it's such a fascinating topic. It's why I do it for a living. And again, I really think by the end of the semester, you'll have a great appreciation for this class. Again, my name is Justin. My full-time job is I'm the Assistant Director for Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion and Title IX at the University of Illinois System Offices in Urbana-Champaign, Illinois. So I'm not physically located in St. Louis. So I can meet with you anytime through email, through we can schedule a Zoom chat. You feel free to give me a call, but I won't physically be able to meet with anybody because again, I'm not physically located in St. Louis. However, I know I am very, very familiar with SLU. I did my master's degree, my MBA at SLU. I did my law degree, my JD at SLU, and then I actually worked in SLU's Human Resources Department for almost 3 years. Back from 2013 to 2016. So I'm very familiar with SLU, love SLU. So yeah, I can answer any questions that you may have. But again, I feel free to give me a call, shoot me an email. We can schedule a Zoom call if you ever want to meet one-on-one, but just know that I can't physically be there. But again, being a diversity, equity, and inclusion and HR professional, everything that we will talk about this semester, I do it in my daily work as well. So again, I'm very familiar with it. Yes, I have a law degree, so technically I do have a doctorate, but you don't need to call me Dr. Lacey. You don't have to call me Professor Lacey. My first name is Justin. Feel free to call me Justin. It's an 8-week course. It's a short course, so again, we don't have to get too formal. So feel free to call me Justin whenever you email me or call me. I'm perfectly fine with that. So. The syllabus should kind of give you a pretty good idea of everything that we're going to be doing throughout the 8 weeks. Again, it's a short amount of time, but we cover a lot of material. So please make sure that you keep up with the reading and everything that I post, because again, it is a very, full of information throughout the semester, even though it's a short amount of time. The one book that you will need for this semester is this is what it looks like right here. It's Human Resources, Gaining a Competitive Advantage, the 12th edition. Again, the book is required, so make sure that you do have it for the semester, because again, everything that we do will come out of the book. I might have 1 or 2 readings here and there that don't come out of the book, but for the discussions that we do, for any assignments that you'll work on, for the final exam, the course project that we're going to work on, almost all the material will come out of the textbook. So it's kind of a one-stop shop. So there are, especially on the course project, which I will explain in a couple of weeks. You will have to do a little bit of outside research, but again, the concepts that we will utilize will be used through the textbook. So. Again, I just wanted to do this quick short video to welcome everybody. It's going to be a great semester. I think you're going to really learn a lot. It's going to be a lot of fun. But again, I'm here to help you out. In a perfect scenario, I hope you all get whatever grade that you hope to get. I love it when my class, when people in the class succeed. So I want to help you succeed. So if you have any questions, don't ever hesitate to reach out to me. But it's going to be a great semester. I look forward to it, and we'll talk soon.